Is your Dodge Caravan's alarm going off randomly? The most common culprits are faulty door liftgate switches, the TIPM, and a weak battery. First, check all door and liftgate switches for corrosion or misalignment. These switches signal when a door is open, and a faulty one can trigger the alarm. Next, consider the TIPM. This module controls power distribution and is prone to failure, often due to capacitor issues. Finally, test your battery. A voltage below 12.4 volts can cause alarm malfunctions. Use a multimeter to check for voltage stability. Identifying the root cause is the first step to fixing the problem. For faulty door or liftgate switches, start by cleaning any corrosion and realigning them. If that doesn't work, replace the switch entirely. For TIPM issues, consider reprogramming or replacing the module. Stellantis service bulletins SB08-13 and SB18-02818 address TM failures in certain models, potentially covered under warranty up to 10 years or 100,000 miles. Aftermarket replacements are also available. If it's a weak battery, replace it with a new one and check for parasitic drains that might be causing the issue. Use an OBD2 scanner to diagnose error codes like P607 for TIPM failure or B107 for alarm module fault to narrow down the issue. Check car forums to see how other people have fixed similar issues with their Dodge Caravans. These steps should help resolve the alarm issue in your Dodge Caravan.